Good morning to one and all. In the last lecture, we have seen about the theory of DTFT and the application of DTFT also started. So, in the last video lecture, we have seen the application of DTFT on some examples. That is, with two examples I explained. In today's lecture, I would like to give more examples on application of DTFT. Okay, so let us take this simple example x of n. I am taking 4 examples. X of n is equal to 1, minus 2, 2, 3 is a bounded sequence, and x of n is equal to e power 3 power n u of unbounded sequence, and x of n is equal to 0.5 u of n plus 2 power n u of n. This is also bounded sequence. X of n is equal to 1 by 4 whole power n u of n plus also bounded sequence. So that is which converges sequences. So first example, if x of n is equal to 1, minus 2, 2 and 3, if the sequence is given like this, the first element is x of 0 value, the next element, right side elements are x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and x of 4 and so on. Similarly, left side elements are not given. If any are given, then you have to define first value as an initial value as x of 0 only. So using the formula for DTFT, x of omega is equal to f of x of n is equal to sigma n equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of n e power minus j omega n, x of 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j omega plus x of 2 e power minus, because here only x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3, only 4 elements are given from 0 to 3. Substitution is 1 minus 2 e power minus j omega plus 1 plus 2 e power 2 j omega plus 3 e power minus j 3 omega. So like that you can solve the DTFT function very easily. So this is the DTFT of the given sequence. Next example, it is not absolutely summable, because 3 power n of n is not absolutely summable. One is green function and one is right side function. Both the functions are not absolutely summable, so the DTFT does not exist. And third one, see, 0.5 u power n u of n, 2 power n u of n. So 0.5 u of power n, 0.5 power whole power n, 1 by 2 whole power n, square is 1 by 1. So somewhere it may reach to 0 crossing. So it is a convertible form. So like that you can justify the question, and then you can start your writing, finding the DTFT. So for previous example, mathematically the answer is obtained, but DTFT is not applicable here. That DTFT, this signal is convergible, so DTFT can be applicable. So substituting in the formula, 0.5 whole power n u of n plus 2 power n u of minus n minus 1 e power minus j omega n. So dividing into 2, that is by applying the linearity property, you can calculate the first step and then find the DTFT by using your traditional formula, geometric progression, arithmetic progression. So like progression formulas are there in your lower classes. Using that formula you can solve the summations. So finally you got the answer by simply solving the equations. Okay. Next example is x of n is equal to 1 by 4 whole power n u of n plus 1. So this is also convergible. So you can find the DTFT. X of omega is equal to 1 by 4 u of n plus 1. N equal to minus infinity plus 1 by 4 whole power n u of n plus 1. U of n plus 1 equal to 1 for n plus 1 greater than 0, or n can take minus 1 to infinity. So substituting n equal to minus infinity plus infinity, 1 by 4 whole power n u of e power minus j omega n, taking n to common, and so we have formula from n equal to 0 to infinity. So excess term is there, so take that common excess term as a common, and then convert that into standard notation, then find the solution for this summation. And this looks like 4 e power j omega by 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega. Like that you can solve this one. Next example is sin n pi by 2 u of n, sin n pi by 3 u of n, cos n pi by 3 u of n. And so remember, first two a and b are almost similar. One is sin term, other one is cos term. So both when the way of calculation finding the DTFT is same in both cases. Given x of n is equal to sin n pi by 2 u of n, x of omega is equal to f of sin n pi by 2 u of n, which is equal to sigma n equal to minus infinity plus infinity sin n pi by 2 u of n e power minus j omega. Formula lo I am substituting into the formula. So Sin theta is equal to e power j theta minus e power minus theta by 2j. E power j into n pi by 2 minus e power minus of j n pi by 2j into e power minus j omega n is equal to 1 by 2j integral some sigma n equal to 0 to infinity e power j into pi by 2 minus omega into n. So now using the standard notation, the Reisman formula, you can calculate the values of this summation, and it is e power minus unsimplifying j and unsimplifying you will have the form e power minus j omega 1 plus e power minus 2 j omega. Similarly, you can also find cos function. Instead of here e power j plus e power minus j divided by 2, and then solve the other functions, you will have similar result, where instead of this one you will get some other thing. Okay, so do it as a work. Next, third example, x of n is equal to 1 by 2 whole power n into sin n pi by 4 u of n. X of omega is equal to function into e power minus j omega n. So then let us take let us substitute sin n pi by 4 in form of e power j theta minus e power minus theta by 4, and then solve. You will find the value like this. Okay, so this also in the similar way can calculate. And next, 1 by 2 whole power n minus 2 into u of n minus 2. You can apply time shifting property, or you can use the traditional mathematics, that is n equal to 0 to infinity, so and so. So on expanding the formula, e power j omega n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, and so on. So take e power 2j common, then you will have the series 1 and so on. So then it is 1 minus e power minus 2 j omega by 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 e power j omega. Like that you can solve any problem given in the maximum. You will find the problems in this fashion only, and these are all some of the examples. Next, for further problems you can go through the material. Thank you.